How to change phone background on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and swipe down on the screen from the top. You are now in your lock screen. Now, touch and hold the lock screen. Here, tap on Customize below. From here, you can customize the wallpaper of both your lock screen and home screen. Tap on your home screen. You can now manage and edit your wallpaper settings from the options below. Go to the bottom panel and tap on Photo. You can view and edit the wallpaper photo from here. Now, go to the bottom left corner and tap on the Photos icon. Here, you can choose photos from your camera roll to set it as your wallpaper. Select any photo from here and then tap on Done at the top right. You have now successfully set this photo as your home screen wallpaper. Tap on Done again. Following these steps, you can easily change phone background on iPhone.